Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here it is, the ISDT P30 smart charger for bigger batteries. Now when it comes to the features of this charger, I'm going to describe them very soon, but first let's unbox and see what's inside the box. Here is a user guide, some, as usual, ISDT stickers, this is your screen protector that you can install on your P30, and then we have this nice big metal shell charger. Now let's first take a closer look at the charger. This is a P30 smart charger. You have a screen and dual channel controls. The first thing you'll notice, there are no buttons, no dials. These are just like kind of touch sensor buttons right here. So we have a channel 1, channel 2, and then we have a balance port connection right here, as you can see at the right side, and then you have XT60 here, and a balance port right here. This is the output. This is where you will connect the batteries that you're going to charge. At this side of the charger, we have vents and an XT90 connector, a USB-C port, and a USB out. Now this is nice that it has a lot of vents around, okay? There are dual built-in fans here to keep a nice airflow onto the charger electronics and keep it cool. Now the only thing that I do not understand here, you're gonna charge big batteries. Why do you have to power it with another battery? I mean, come on, you can easily provide a built-in power supply in this one, and all we need to do is connect it to our AC outlet and, charge the batteries, because it does not make sense to charge big batteries using even a bigger battery to power this charger and use all its power. I mean, really, I realize why they did this, because by doing so, they can sell you their new smart power supply unit, the ISDT power supply unit, which is like $268 or so, and then you can power it using your AC outlet and charge all the batteries that you want. Very smart, ISDT, but you do not know that there are cheaper options. Let me show you. So instead of buying a $268 US dollars power supply unit to power your new ISDT P30 and charge bigger batteries, I give you a cheaper alternative sitting right here. Check this out. Now check out the price tag on this. This is a switching power supply. Check out the price tag right here on the screen, huh? Very attractive, isn't it? Now look at it. This is all metal, nice and heavy switching power supply. There's a cooling fan right here. There's a power input, power connector here, so you can connect your power and connect it to the AC outlet. For example, if you provide this switching power supply 100 volt input, it will give you 800 watt max. If you input 110 to 120 volts, it will output 900 watt, and if you input 220 volt, that we are in China, 200 to 240 volt, you will get maximum 1200 watt output from this, maximum up to 100 amps. Also, you can connect various chargers. You can power 3 different chargers out of this switching power supply at the same time and charge all the batteries that you want. So this is really a very cheaper solution. I mean, who wants to buy that's really super expensive ISDT power supply or PSU? Just go for this. This does the job even better. Okay, so I'll be using this switching power supply. The links are in the video description for all of these, obviously. So I'll be using this power supply to power this charger, ISDT P30, and charge the batteries. Before that, go ahead and check out the key features of ISDT P30 right here. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is, power on this power supply. Alright, and now I can power the ISDT P30. with an XT90 connector. This is the only angle I can get for you because of the short cables right there. Okay, so you have dual channels right here. Okay, and you can basically slide up and down to move to different screens. Okay, go to channel 1, go to channel 2, and slide to move to different screens. Now when it comes to going to the settings, you press and hold both, and you have advanced settings where you have dual tasks, parallel task, DC power channel 1, system setting. So you can come down to system settings where you can set lowest input voltage, max input power, battery go, backlight, volume, completion tone, touch slide, split screen, wireless connection, which will enable the Bluetooth. Oh yes, it has a Bluetooth connection that you can connect to your smartphone by using ISDT app, and you can see all the charging data and everything on your phone. I'll show you the app very soon. Then you have language, theme, self-test, channel 1 and channel 2 calibration, system info, and back. Okay, now you want to charge something on channel 1 or channel 2, just press and hold this button, and you have tasks. In the tasks you have charge, discharge, storage, and destroy. Yes, destroy. If you want to discard the batteries, you want to make sure that there's no voltage, nothing left, no juice left in the battery, choose destroy. Otherwise, if you want to store the battery or discharge the battery, there are proper options for this. So I'll keep it on charge. And we have a chemistry. Normally it detects automatically, but as a LiHV, LiPo, Li-ion, Li-Fe, PB, NiMH, and NiCad. Okay, then we have, okay, I'll just keep it on LiPo. Then we have number of cells. Okay, current, how much current you want, and core voltage that you want, start and back. Okay, so this is very easy to use. I wanted to charge these batteries. I wanted to fly my electric helicopter, so I have to charge the 6S batteries. I'm going to connect these here. Okay, and as soon as I connect, I see all the cell voltage right here. As you can see very clearly, I see all the cell voltage, everything right here. And if I slide down, I can see system info on the battery. We are here. Hold on, press and hold. LiPo 6S 5 amps. No. I am running 3300 mAh batteries. So I'm just gonna go to, ooh, look at that. They have 5 presets here. 5 amp, 10 amp, 15 amp, and 20 and 25 amp maximum charging current. Really very nice for big breaks. So I'm gonna go to 3300 milliamps, so 3.3A. Okay, just keep it right here and start. Okay, so start charging, and I'm gonna connect the other battery. Here goes my second battery. Okay, that's nice. I can actually see the resistance of each cell right here. Very good, and a complete voltage down here, and the complete sum of the resistance. Very good. So go here. 6S battery, 4.2 volts, charge, stop. Now this is a very good test of ISDT P30 charging 2 batteries, and also a very good test of power supply, if the power supply will get heat up or not, or if it is providing enough amps or not. Okay, so this is this. Now it's charging. We will see how things go. In the meantime, let me connect to app. It is simply wonderful. Okay, allow ISD go to access photo, media, and files on your device. I mean, why do you, we are just accessing the charger, right? Why do you want photo, media, file, eh? Deny. Without the storage permission, ISDT cannot save the DLE device information. Nice excuse, thank you very much. We don't want you to save any kind of information. Plus a charger. Please set the device to wait for Bluetooth binding mode and then close the phone. If you cannot find the device, please turn on the location service. Okay, that is nice. So I'll just keep it here and stop the charging. Okay, I'll stop the charging. I'll go to system setting, to the wireless. Okay, waiting for Bluetooth connection. Okay, well, these people are really smart. Unless you do not turn on allow to use location and allow to use storage and, you know, allow all the goddamn permissions to this app, it will not connect. So here's a P30, add this device, yes. All right, add it, awesome. Now we go to P30 and we have all the information right here. Okay, let's see. It says firmware update. Well, next time, I don't want to do it now. Now I can see that the batteries are connected already. Okay, I can see both channels right here, as you can see on this. Okay, one moment, I'll just keep it this way so everything is in the view. Now I can say play. So right here you can see I have removed all the glare. We have task selection, LiPo, full charge, working currents, number of cells, etc, etc. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press this and bam, both of the channels have started charging, and I have all the information right here on the phone as well. I can stop the charging should I want using my phone, and once the batteries are charged I can get all the information on the phone as well. If I go to settings, I have charger rename, max input power limit, max input voltage limit, and systems information, then firmware repair and or remove device. So these are only settings right here. Very good. I'm actually satisfied how the app is working and showing me all the information. The only thing I dislike is they ask all the permissions that are not needed for this app. I mean, come on, you want the access of a device, I know, but anyway, just ask. I mean, no need for lame excuses, blah blah blah. Just ask, you know, we want your device information, want to see where have you been, what have you been doing, who you have been calling, who are your contacts, what is your credit card number. I mean, come on. Anyway, people, P30 smart charger. If you want to charge the bricks, big batteries, you want to charge them fast, like 6S 20,000, 30,000 milliamp batteries, you want to charge them on 25 amp current, fast. This is the charger, this is the workhorse that's going to get you there, but you need to have a nice power supply. This power supply is getting warm. Cheap power supply up to 1200 watt power. Links for everything is in the video description. It's getting warm, but it's doing the job. And here it is, it's charging. So once it's done, I will tell you how things went. So this is all for the P30 smart charger from ISDT. Honestly speaking, this is the kind of charger that should stay with you. Not only you can charge two batteries at the same time. Enjoy and stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget the upcoming video I will introduce the T400 Pro dual charger, AC/DC dual touchscreen balanced smart charger from HTRC. This is a charger before I have reviewed the T200 from HTRC. It has been really nice charger. Unfortunately, I brought it with me to Pakistan and left there. That sometimes I go there, I don't have to carry the chargers. I can always charge batteries using T200. But stay tuned for T400 Pro dual charger review coming to my channel very soon next. Oh yes, before I go, do remember when you're charging the batteries, no matter if you have your phone showing you the information in another room through the Bluetooth connection to your charger, never ever leave your battery charging unattended. If you're charging bigger batteries like this, I would actually sit here and watch them, because any kind of swelling, hissing sound or smoke, you gotta run like Flash Gordon and take the batteries into the WC or toilet. No, that will explode. Just take the batteries somewhere safe. Ordered another explosion-proof, fire-proof bag for LiPo batteries, and I'm keeping it right here just in case if I see any smoke or anything, I will immediately toss the battery in and take this to the bathroom or to a safe place. There's another alternative. I have got this tattoo box with metal plate right here and a cover. This is for you to put your batteries in and then charge them. Maybe just put the whole charger and batteries inside and charge them. But I find the structure of this charger basically makes it difficult for me to keep the batteries in and charge. But anyway, you might want to keep these things very close just in case you hear hissing or that terrible magic smoke, you gotta run. So once again people, when charging big batteries like this, I know ISDT has been a very, very good charger brand, and I've never had any issue with ISDT, such kind of issue that batteries are swelling or, you know, overpowered and exploding. But still, you gotta watch the batteries.